car maintenance shouldn't be rocket science. That's why Dollarfix was created. Your all-in-one smart car companion that makes car care simple, smart, and stress-free. First, diagnose with confidence. Let's start with the basics, keeping your car healthy. With Dollarfix, you can run diagnostic tools right from your phone. Work with devices like Think Car, New Car, Pinbolin, and more. Supports over 140 car brands and more than 100,000 models. DF AI instantly translates bulk codes into understandable reports. From quick checkups to complex issues, Dollarfix got you covered. Then upgrade with ease. Now that you know what's wrong with your car, let's make it better. The Dollarfix Marketplace offers genuine quality parts with transparent prices, OEM standard components that fit your ride perfectly, and AI-powered suggestions tailored exactly to your car. Whether you need filters or full upgrades, refresh your car in a blink. Join our global community, because car care isn't just about tools and parts. It's about people who love cars just like you. Connect with fellow car lovers too. Exchange tips and advice in focus groups. Access pro repair guides anytime you need a hand. And yes, earn rewards just by participating and helping others out. Whether you're a pro or a newbie, Dollarfix is your pit stop. Dollarfix isn't just an app, it's your all-in-one sidekick. Hit download now at dollarfix.com and drive the change. Let your car journey begin here.